And now, ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see the 10 most beautiful women and mothers of Samoa. And here they are with a sneak preview.
Lalele Samoa, the Sailinga, originale, Tausaafia, America Samoa. Ila tone to se fulu la to, say pati mai.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now, let me explain first before we bring them up. The first judgment side of it is what we call the Tausaafia look. You've already had a taste of that. They are going to pose in their LA Pulitasi Petty.
Leo vainga bo bola le neo la ngai atwe tato tausala le va ainga tu mau pe te mai tai Samoa moni Tausaafia. Mala tato right tausala la le nei say pati mai Pata Makading.
Olola e Pata Makaden. Tu atuleva noa mola na saunoanga.
Good evening. I'm Pata Makading. I'm sponsored by the Beautification Committee. I have 4 children.
She is escorted by Tone Famosili, 10 years old, Sana Famosili, and Francella of Tafuna, Lonala E Pulitasi, Sasau Nialava Epata, with puffed sleeves, LA design in front and low back, and was sewn by Bluebird seamstress in one day. Pata is the wife of Mick McCudden, the special assistant to the governor of American Samoa for LBJ Medical Services. Pata is a member of the Beautification Committee of American Samoa. She loves to beautify our islands. Let's give a big hand for the representative of the Beautification Committee, Pata McCudden.
Hola tato suito valo na lua say pati mai lunga the stage Fatima Ferguson Langalangarina the Track and Field Association.
Good evening. My name is Fatima Ferguson. I am proud to represent Track and Field Sports Federation. I have 3 children.
Maria Fatima Ferguson. She is escorted by her 6-year-old son, Benjamin Ferguson. With a Tausaafia look, with a Pulitasi LA, half redneck with strips made from the LA design. Hands are also made from the design of the material with piping material and flare bottom, designed by Tima Ferguson and Roberta Simi. that was made by Mrs. Coretta Talililo Mayaba of Owa in 2 days. With the accessories, red earrings, say of red flowers accented by white and green leaves. And Maria Fatima Ferguson is such a very beautiful sportswoman. She loves paddling. She loves to take care of her children. That's why she works hard. Representing track and field, Maria Fatima Ferguson.
Tausala lona tolu lenei. Se fafela yatu Agnes Tupua win. Langalangaina Evelanis Gabriel.
Salofa, Olo Inua, Agnes Tupua Wing. Ito Afasia Fanau, Olo Langalanguina, Le Emalani, Gabriel.
Agnes Tupua Win. She loves to support her children at every game, and she is escorted by her 13-year-old son, BJ, Billy Joe. Just notice that white cotton fabric with red hibiscus design, Pulitasi, the John Collins Dynasty look of American Samoa, a high-collared neck by red buttons in the front with a unique sleeveless cut. This design has a perfect fitted look that accentuates the wearer's beautiful figure, specially tailored so that the hibiscus design falls vertically on the left shoulder down. The lava lava has a traditional sewn with the hibiscus design highlighting the bottom. And Sialiu Fau of Owa, a well-known tailor, or a seamstress rather, made this outfit. Yes, and she is representing Evelani's Cabaret. Agnes
Mai
Tupua.
Dato Tausala lona tolu lena. O lona fa Tausala la fiasminei Moana Hatcher.
Talofa, Wa'u o Moana Hatcher, Ololangolangoina u Spencers Incorporated, Ito Afa La Ufanau.
Yes, say pati mai Moria lena Moana.
Sawi Moana Hatcher is escorted by D.C. Spencer III, her nephew, 7 years old, grandson of Danny and Sia Spencer of Spencers Incorporated. Sawi Moana is wearing a lovely inlay. This is black and white. Rosalia, a seamstress, made it, and also a sales clerk for Spencers Incorporated in 1 week. Her accessories are salmon earrings and salmon bracelet and necklace. Sawi Moana Hatcher is a farmer who hails from the village of Waitongi, where the Spencers also come from. Sawi Moana loves to go to the marketplace, not only to sell taro and bananas, but she also gives them away to anybody who cannot afford to buy these produce.
Le fai fato anga le nei le wa fialo na manga le lenga. Tumai Moana Hatcher pati mai Moria. Dato Tausala lona lima sai linga tumai tai politinale leo America Samoa. Say Lala Roberts.
Sailala Roberts is representing the Golf Association of American Samoa.
Salofa, Wa'u Sailala Roberts, ito ang lima la Fanau. Olo Sapsapaya, wan palapot patonga tangata Tapolo, America Samoa.
Sailala Roberts is escorted by Melila Purcell III. He's 9 years old. Sir Melila Purcell III is also a nephew to Sailala for Tausaafia look designed by Luisa Filimoyhala. And it's a long, straight cut, very simple, white, red Samoan rover around and around the lava lava. And it's just perfect for her because look at that red rose, because that is one of Sailala's most favorite flowers, roses. And her fan, you must notice, designed by herself and her sister-in-law, Sala Atualo. Say Lala Roberts, representing the Golf Association of American Samoa.
Ole nai lo na ono le nei whawhelo ai atu so o upu vau malo ngau poa.
So upu vau malo ngau poa represents Pacific International Engineering or PIE Limited.
Sala kalama. Wa so upo va malonga poa. Ito ono la fanau. Olo sa paya wale pai limited.
So upo vau malo. Her escort is Tulefano Fisher. He is 6 years old. Her white pulitasi for the Tausaafia look and her fan, yes, inlaid with Samoa style. Inlaid with a brown and white design. Wanili on her tofa, and her lava is also bordered with the same design. Ruffles around the neck to match the bottom ruffles of her top, tailored by Tifa of the Pacific, and was made in 2 days. Her new hairdo was also made by Helga's. So is wearing matching earrings and bracelet to complete her beautiful look. Doesn't she look like Roseanne Barr? Graceful, beautiful, sassy, but very loving.
Letina la le le na o so upu vau malo ngau poa. Ole tato tausala lona fitu le nei te tasio tausala la le le tina mi la le le o Selena loa mafa lua falemana.
Representing Turanda's Laundromat at Pavahiai that is owned by Liliana Reed.
Turanda Laundromat.
Selena Loa Mafalua Falemana's escort is her nephew, James Clifton Spencer. She's wearing white cotton pulitasi with green inlay with gold. The style, unique layered ruffled style. 3 layered ruffles on the neck with green inlay splashed with a gold design. 3 ruffled layers to accentuate the sleeves. The bottom of the pulitasi top is sewn like a balloon style. It was made by Virgie Velez of DAAB Corporation of Neuli. Was made in 1 day. And her accessories are pearl and flower designed hairpiece, pearl earrings. Her fan by Zauni is the maker, decorated with iao fulufulu, all kinds of bird feathers, including senga flowers, fuya, and the tiotala. Just notice that headpiece she's got. It's what we call in Samoa and say, wow.
Say baji mai tato tausala la le na tina tino le na Selena loa mafa lua falemana. Our age contestants, ladies and gentlemen, representing American Samoa Basketball Association, Lucia Bartley.
Lucia Alefosio Bartley, representing the basketball of American Samoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lucille Bartley. I have 6 lovely children, and I am very honored to represent the Basketball Association of American Samoa.
Lucia Alefosio Bartley. Her escort is Junior Lotomau, her son. And she has her guests in the audience, her father, her children, and Dennis Chamberlain, and the children. This is what we call a family affair. Lucia, her outfit is white satin pulatasi with LA print from Hillside Variety, and she designed it herself. 3-piece top, the sleeve is sewn separately from the top and was made by Tifa of the Pacific. It was made in 2 days. Lucia Bartley owns D&D restaurant at the Van Camp Seafood Company plant. She also is the president and owner of the Powerhouse Bar and Grill at Tafuna. She loves to play basketball, and she hopes that someday all of you mothers would like to join her on the stage. And she dares all of you, hey, even though I'm over 40, I can still be beautiful. Look at me, Lucia Bartley, representing basketball of American Samoa. Her fan she made herself with a tifa and by the help of Fa'aluaina Ngaisoa.
Tato Tausala Lonaiva Molene Tausinio Malafe Salawiva Tolu, he was a fool of Malafa. Ana Ioane Koloi.
Ana Ioane Koloi represents the Netball Association of American Samoa.
Talofa and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ana Ioane Koloi, a proud mother of 7 beautiful children, and I am very honored to represent the Netball Association of American Samoa.
Ana Ioane Koloi. She's escorted by Zeres Tupua, one of her sons. Notice that white pulatasi with black and pink LA designs. LA on top with flowers representing mothers, a flower of a family. LA on ear, one whole design representing the Samoans who are one whole people. We do things together. Her style has a special name. It's called Tinalele or Lalele, and beautiful mother. Has puffed shoulders with an ula, and ula is beautiful, presenting what mothers are. They really are beautiful. And who made it? Ana Sefo of Pango Pango in 5 hours. Her accessories are white pua earrings, coconut shell bracelet, and her fan, Laufala, with feathers that she made herself. For the Netball Association of American Samoa, Ana Ioane Koloi.
Ia male Tausala Lona se furu le nei o le whaasalonga le sailing o le tinale lei. Male Tausaafia o Samoa. Se pati mailo a whawhela ia tuai. Caroline Coffin.
Talofa tupu mai e o tutuila mamanua. Le usonga tu mua mapule. Mamalu le au whamasino. O au o Caroline Coffin. O lo lango ina o le school lunch program. So se pulu siau whanau.
Caroline Coffin represent the School Food Services Program of the Department of Education. Her escort is Master La'auli Coffin, one of her 37 grandchildren. And what she's wearing? The fragrance of the Pua LA on pure snowy taffeta, accented by the Princess dye design. This gives Tausaafia white pulatasi a soft flow, taken from the Royal Princess Diana design, high arch style neck. And this also is what we call the Pua LA 3/4 length sleeves, again of the Princess dye design. Who made it? Hillside Sewing Shop in Pango Pango. Designed totally by Mrs. Coffin, showing her royal British taste. This was made in 6 hours. And the earrings she's wearing or accessories
poor earrings, poor necklace, and the fan, LA Design Siapo. Representing the School Food Services, Carrie Caroline Coffin. Ia ma lea ua mai a tuai nei whaamasino, ia tusi fo ia tātou pepa, lea ua mai a la tātou vaenga mua mua,